Hello, young botanists. Get ready to explore the amazing super secret life of a flower. It's an adventure from tiny seed to blooming beauty. Every great flower story starts with something tiny. Say hello to the seed. It's small, but it holds a huge secret. But what is a flower's real superpower? It's not flying or super strength. It's the power to make new life. Let's see how. Right now, the seed is sleeping, waiting patiently in the soil. It's dormant, meaning it's resting until the perfect time to wake up. Ready for action? Stage 1 is germination, or simply sprouting. This is when the magic truly begins. When the seed gets just the right amount of water and sunshine, it's like an alarm clock goes off. The seed casing breaks open. First, a tiny root grows down into the soil to find water. Then, a little sprout pushes up, reaching for the sky and the sun. Next, our little plant hits its growth spurt. We call this the seedling or vegetative stage. Time to get big and strong. The tiny plant grows taller and makes lots of bright green leaves. It's no longer just a sprout. It's a confident, green seedling. The green leaves are like little food factories. They use sunlight, water, and air to make their own special food. This is called photosynthesis. After growing big, the plant is ready for the exciting third stage, budding. Soon, we'll meet the beautiful flower. Look closely. A tiny round bump called a bud appears on the stem. This bud holds the secret of the colorful flower inside. Inside the bud, the petals are getting their bright colors and sweet smells ready. They are preparing for their big moment to shine. This is the most beautiful stage, blooming and pollination. The flower is ready to open and meet the world. Pop! The flower opens its petals wide. It's like a bright signal, attracting tiny, busy helpers like bees and butterflies. These helpers carry yellow dust called pollen from one flower to another. This super important job is called pollination, and it's how new seeds get made. The final stage is making new seeds and sending them off on their own adventures. This is called fertilization and seed dispersal. Once pollinated, the flower's job is done. The petals fall off, and inside, the flower starts to grow new, tiny seeds, ready for the next cycle. These new seeds need new homes. They might travel by wind, hitch a ride on an animal, or float on water. They are looking for soil to start over. And guess what? When those new seeds find a perfect spot, the amazing life cycle starts all over again. Remember the steps? Seed to sprout, sprout to plant, plant to flower, flower to new seed. It's a never-ending cycle of life. Now that you know the superpower of a flower, go outside and watch the plants grow. It's happening all around you. Bye for now.